In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create multiple Gmail accounts with your phone without it requiring phone number. I don't know for whatsoever reason why you want to create multiple Gmail accounts and you don't want to verify it with phone number, but I've come with a solution for you. And aside from that, there's currently an application that I shared on my Telegram channel that people are currently participating in, and they are earning from it. It's called Gmail Farmer. That is even the reason why I am making this video right now, because all that platform basically requires you to do is to create a Gmail account, send it to them, and they pay you for it. A lot of money has been printed through this method, and a lot of money is still being printed through this method. So in case you're interested, you can check the description box of this video. I'll have dropped the link there. I'm going to drop the link of the update in the description box of this video. But what will happen is whenever you tap on that link, it will take you to my Telegram channel. So once you come to my Telegram channel, the first thing you see is the update with its full details. So you can now read through it and see how you can participate in it and basically help on it. But for those of you that are on my Telegram channel already, you know the update, and probably that is why you're watching this video, because you want to know how to create multiple Gmail accounts. So without wasting much of your time, that's what I'm going to be showing to you in today's video. All right, so here is me here trying to create a new Google account, a new Gmail, by the way. So once you open your Google application, you allow it to load. For the Gmail that I'm going to create, I'll use for personal use, and then I'll head into my Telegram to show you the update I'm talking about. That is the update that people are currently using to print money, and they're making massive amount of money from it. If you can create Gmail. Now, on my screen here, this is my Telegram channel. Make sure you belong to this Telegram channel. If you're not here, you're missing a lot, because this is where I get to drop most of my updates. That's basically about that. Now, this is the Gmail Farmer update. And as you can see, this is the Gmail they asked me to create, Bernardo. Copy the name, paste in the Bernardo, then click on next. Now, on this page, this is where you get to select the, birth certificate or whatsoever. Just put in any date you want to put in. Let me put in 2001 here. And then the next thing I want to do is to select the gender. I'm gonna put in male. I think Bernardo sounds male. Was it female? Anyways, that is by the way. So the next thing I want to do now is to head back into my Telegram and then copy the Gmail they asked me to create. I want to head back to this my page here and paste in the Gmail. Tap on the next button. It's time to create the password. I go there again, and basically they've provided the password for me. I copy it and then head back to this page and then paste in the password once again, and that is basically that about that. Now, if you're trying to participate in this update for the first time with your mobile device, you'll be able to create just 5 Gmail. After 5 emails, they'll ask for phone number verification, as you're seeing on my screen here. So to bypass that is why you need to follow these steps. Before we proceed, I do drop a lot of tutorials just like this one. I make tutorials on Web3 stores, Web3 earnings, and basically a whole lot of that. So if it sounds like what you're interested in, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Follow me on X. It is very important because I drop a lot of my updates there even before I make videos on them. Head into your settings application. Once you head into your settings, you scroll up and then look for Google services. So as you can see, I'm looking for my own. This is Google. Yeah, Google services. Once you come to this page, you click on all services. Then what you want to do next is to scroll a little bit up and then select this phone number verification. Very important. And once you select that button, you wait for this page to load, and then you can see it is turned on. So what I want to do is to turn it off. Once it's on off, you wait a little bit for this page to load, and after loading, I'm gonna go ahead and exit from this my settings page. Let me exit it. Then you head back into your settings once again, and this time around you locate your apps. Look at apps. Now, depending on the phone you're using, all your apps could display as once, but mine is not displaying, so I have to click on this see all etc to display more apps. Then you scroll up and look for Google Play. I think it's Google Play services. Yeah, that is what you're looking for. It should be in around G. So this is G. Let's scroll a little bit up, and you can see this is Google Play services. Now, the next thing you want to do is to open up that Google Play services, and then you scroll up. What we are looking for is storage and data. So this is my storage and data. You open it up. The first thing you want to do is to clear the cache or cache, whatever you call it. Then click on clear storage and tap on that. Now, I must warn you, if you're doing the sensitive details like passwords and some other things that is your email might be cleared out. So you should be warned and you should be prepared before doing this. Once that is done, you head into your Play Store, and we're going to have to download Turbo VPN. If this video is too fast for you, you can play it multiple times so you get the message. But then that is basically about that. So this is me installing the VPN. Once it's done, we will now proceed to the next step. By the way, if you've watched this video up to this extent and you've not liked, you're not doing a good thing. Like and share this video so that it will tell the YouTube algorithm that this video is very helpful and more people can get to watch it. So now that I've installed it, the next thing you want to do is to, accept it, accept the terms and conditions. If you don't accept it, you're not able to proceed. That's for those of you that don't want to pay. This VPN has a paid version and a free version, but the free version should be okay for you. So what I want to do is to allow this, and then I'm going to tap on the hamburger menu at the top left of my screen. Then you tap on this server location. It's going to show you this location. Select this US United States. Now, if you select that first United States that you're seeing on my screen there, they'll ask you to pay. So select the second one because you don't want to pay. If you want to pay, pay. So that is basically about that. This is an ad, and this ad is displayed on the screen. This is how they basically get to make money. These are free stuff, so they need to put ads on this platform so that they can make money. But then that is that about that. So I'm going to click on that X to exit from this ad. Once that is done, the next thing I want to do is to exit this application while my VPN is turned on. Then I'll head back into my Google. Okay, that is Google. No, Gmail. I'll hand over back to my Gmail because I want to create Gmail, and then you go ahead and create the Gmails. So that is basically that about that. Make sure that at this point you've hit that bell icon so that you turn on notifications for this channel, because sometimes subscribing is not enough. Once you subscribe, you might still not get my videos unless you turn on that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And that is basically it. I'll see you in the next video.